Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called AMEGAT. This is the AMEGAT 3-in-1 foldable fast wireless charging station for your Apple devices. It is absolutely the coolest foldable 3-in-1 charging station I've ever seen. You can see how small and flat it is when it's all folded up, easily portable, but like magic, you fold down this back and you see the pad for charging AirPods or Earbuds. And then if you need to charge your Apple Watch, look, or yep, it doesn't make those sound effects. You have to have me with you to get that, but it does fold out in either up or on the side, and that is for your Apple Watch. And what's awesome is this supports fast wireless charging. For modern, more recent iPhones that support fast wireless charging, you're going to get the full 15-watt fast wireless charging on this. For modern Apple Watches that support the fast wireless charging of the Apple Watch, you will get fast charging. This is completely certified, made for Apple Watch charger, so it will work and get you the fast wireless charging for those watches that support it, which is great. Then on the back, you have this nice large pad to throw either your AirPods or any earbuds that are capable of Qi wireless charging. You put those on there and they will get charged as well. And you can be doing all that all at the same time. On top of that, this is fully MagSafe compatible. So it is going to work with your phone either in horizontal or vertical position. If you put it in the vertical position, you have your little watch thing over here, and you can put your watch over here. If you're putting it horizontally, it's going to be like this. So you just flip the watch charger up there, and then you can put your watch up here. It will work either way. And if you don't have an Apple Watch right now, or you just don't need to charge it, you can also fold it away and just have your phone on there, which is great. And then when you're not using it, completely folds up, takes up hardly any space. Now what's great is in the package, they not only include the 30-watt PD charger and cord, which is very important because if you're going to get fast wireless charging, you've got to have the right power source and the right amount of power to get that. And so they include a 30-watt PD charger that will give you the power you need to get the fast wireless charging. They also include a really awesome little carrying case. So this will fit in the carrying case along with the charger and the cord so that you can throw it in your bag or throw it in your suitcase and take it with you on the go. This is an excellent product. This is an excellent charger for use when you're traveling because it does fold up so flat and is so easy to take with you, but also just great if you're someone that is just often on the go. You can throw this in a briefcase if you're taking it around with you for business, or you can throw it in your backpack if you're using it at school and just have it with you to charge wherever. You can use it at home when you're at home, but then if you need to take it on the go, it's easy to just fold up, throw in the carrying case that it comes with, throw it in your bag, and take it with you. So whether you're getting it for travel or whether you're getting it to use at home as your main charging device at home, but just having the ability to fold it up and take it with you on the go, it is great for either situation. It looks really good, really great, sleek, modern look and design so that it looks great, but also all that functionality, the fast wireless charging, which is great. I do want to point out the USB-C plug to power it is here on the side. Then on the other side, you have little LED indicators, a very, very tiny little LED indicators, so not too bright, won't disturb you at night, but tiny little indicators to let you know that your devices are charging. Really excellent product by AMEGAT. If you are looking for a 3-in-1 wireless charger for your Apple devices, your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and earbuds, then this device from AMEGAT is definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.